I'm testing another recipe, Marshmallow Peanut Butter Fudge. So it calls for peanut butter chips. Now these chips are only 10 ounces for a bag. So let me see how many cups that equals. Yeah, it's about 1/4 cup shy, which is really irritating. But for these types of recipes, you usually have to keep the right amount, which is 2 cups. So we got our 2 cups there. Now, if you just wanted to use one bag, you could just keep out 2 tablespoons of sweetened condensed milk. If you wanted to do it that way. Recipes from my new cookbook coming out in September or October. 200 super easy candy and fudge recipes. And this is a test recipe for it. One of the best inventions ever. Sweetened condensed milk. Okay. Then if you want, you can add your butter for your fudge, and I'm going to. So I'm gonna melt these together, and then we'll add the rest of our stuff. Stir every 30 to 45 seconds until they're melted. Now we have 1 cup of marshmallow fluff. Sweetened condensed milk and marshmallow fluff. Some of the best invention in the 1900s. 1 cup is about half of a jar, regular jar, or 1/4 to 1/3 of a big jar. All right, mixing all that in. And if you want, it's optional, you don't have to. Teaspoon of vanilla. I've got the pan. Now, I line everything with parchment. It's just easier to get out. Yes, you can go both ways. I don't find usually it's necessary, but you can. Okay, then. Oh, yum. All right, I'm gonna put that in the refrigerator and let it set up. This video is brought to you by our Dining on a Dime cookbook. We have quick and easy recipes your family will love to help you get in and out of the kitchen fast. Please visit us at livingonadime.com. It's 25% off now. All right. Fudge here. So because this is so soft, I think I'm going to change the recipe and see if it will set up a little bit better so it's not quite so soft. Yeah, it's way too soft. Okay, so this one's a fail. Let's see what it tastes like. Well, it tastes really good, but that's way too soft. So I'm gonna go back to the drawing board on this one. See what I can figure out. All right, I am remaking this recipe because it was way too soft. I cannot figure out why it didn't work. So, all right, there's my 2 cups of chips and my sweetened condensed milk. Now, if you want more recipes for 3-ingredient fudge, check out my Dining on a Dime Cookbook Volume 2. If you want them right now, also on my website, livingonadime.com. You can put the QR codes up here. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and melt this together. So I'm not sure if the marshmallow fluff is what caused it to be too soft. Although when I went and looked up the recipes, everybody said use the marshmallow fluff, or if it was the vanilla, or what. So I think this time I'm only going to use a 1/2 cup of marshmallow fluff. Okay, I'm gonna put this in the refrigerator and see what happens. Okay, got the second peanut butter fluff. And I think I did 2 cups with this one too. And this is much better. Yeah, much better consistency. Okay, see? Delicious. I love peanut butter.